a mess on the floor and toys all around. But cleaning's more fun when we dance to the sound. I grab my broom, I do a sweeping spin, watch out dust. Here I come again. It's a dance party cleanup. Let's boogie and groove. With a twist and a pop, we make each move. Cleaning up has never been this fun when we dance together. It's a party for everyone. The books and blocks, they're all in their place, with a shimmy and shake and a happy face. So next time you clean, remember this song with a little groove. You can't go wrong. Turn up the beat, grab your broom with style, and let's dance party clean up, smile by smile.